This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add alt text to images in Google Slides. Here I have a presentation with a picture of a rabbit, and let's suppose I want to add alt text to this image, which will allow people using screen readers to know what's on the screen. This is what you do. You can click on the picture, then right-click the photo and select alt text. You also have the option of using a keyboard shortcut. So on a Mac, it would be Command Option Y, and on Windows, it would be Control Option Y. You can also click on the picture and select Format Options, and regardless of how you do it, this will appear on the right. You're going to want to go all the way down to the bottom where it says Alt Text, and it will give you an explanation of what that is. And then you want to type your description in this box. So I'm going to copy and paste some text there. And now when someone is using a screen reader, they will be able to know the content of the photo without seeing it. So this video shows you how to insert alt text in your images in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.